Hello Earthlings. I am a superhuman robot, but for the intents and purposes of this video, you may call me Gurzog. I sound human, but I am far from it. Need proof? I can disappear, and now reappear again. Now that you believe me, I think we should talk about something very important. Back on my planet, we were trying to figure out a way to get to your solar system so that we could take over Earth. I mean, visit as very nice tourists. See, I even brought my camera. Unfortunately, many of the scientists could not figure out how far the sun was from our planet, so many of the early missions to Earth failed. Luckily, I was smart enough to figure it out. Can you guess how? I came up with the idea of using parallax. It relies on basic geometry to solve a very complicated question. What I figured is that if I measured the angle from my planet to your sun from the same position on my planet, on two separate occasions, once every 6 months, I can then use basic geometry to solve for the distance. Here is a visual for your Earth. Here we see the Earth. It is 1 astronomical unit away from the Sun. When I draw a line from the Earth to a star I want to know the distance of, a triangle is formed. To ensure precise calculations, 6 months later, I can draw a line from Earth to that same star, and another triangle is formed. Using some basic trigonometry, we can solve for distance. First, we must take the angle that we measured here, and convert it to arcseconds if it is in units of degrees. 1 degree is equal to 3,600 arcseconds. If the angle is in units of radians, we can then convert it to arcseconds using this. 1 radian is equal to 206,265 arcseconds. We have this formula: distance is equal to 1 divided by the parallax. Distance is in units of parsecs. Usually, the movement of the star is extremely small, so the units are typically in arcseconds, but just to be sure, remember this conversion factor. So, here is a test of your knowledge. If we measure angle from Earth to this nearby star, and find it to be 0.002 radians, how far is this star? We take the conversion factor of radians to arcseconds. We find that the parallax angle is 412.53 arcseconds. 1 divided by 412.53 is equal to 0.0024 parsecs. The star is 0.0024 parsecs away. Well, I am off to go and do some touristy things. I'll catch you in the next one.